Hey, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm here at Lycoma Creek in Colorado. It's located in Stetson Hills, Colorado. So yeah, before I do, like and subscribe. Look at this. Wow, look at everything over here. Wow. Yeah, there's a little bird right there too. Look at him. Oh, he flew away. Alright, now we're just gonna walk down the trail a little bit because it's really nice out today. Wow. Look at all this. Wow. I don't really know who left the dang card out here. You see right there. Wow. Yeah, let's keep going. Wow. Whatever that stuff is. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go and end this video here. If you want more videos like this out here, though, just saying at this end of this video, please like and subscribe for more. Bye.